What's up, YouTube world? We're going to talk to you guys today about how we're going to be fitting some commercials into our YouTube channel, because I need to promote my business and I want to promote my business within the business, right? A lot of people come to my YouTube channel, view it, about 150 to 300 people a day. So that gives me an opportunity to promote other outside businesses that I have, affiliated marketing, drop shipping, things like that. So you're going to see a lot more of that. It's just something that I'm going to promote. There's no other reason to not have it, you know? Like, why not? If I have a side business somewhere else to help me get through the winter when it's slow for me, I'm going to do that. I'm going to tell you about different things that you can do to make extra money. Forget about Amway, forget about all these others. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about like DoorDash, Postmates, you know, real results. Like, how much can you make in a day? Can you only make $100 in a day, or can you make $300 in a day? And how do you do it? How many hours do you really have to work to do those? That's really important to know and understand, because a lot of these other people are telling you, you're going to make $25 an hour. You're going to make $30 an hour. Is that realistic? Or is it going to be $8 to $14 an hour throughout the day? Then you're making $150 for the day because you worked, what, 10, 12, 15 hours? You got to work smart, right? You got to understand how these systems work. And like anything, you have to have high ratings, like 5 out of 5, or more positive reviews, or quick delivery times, or knowing what restaurants to go to so you don't waste a lot of your own personal time not being able to deliver, because sometimes they only give you one delivery at a time. So what? You take a delivery in 1 hour, you want to make $8? Forget about that. Yeah, we're going to give you more information, and commercials are coming. Thanks for watching this, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.
The bald eagle. The eagle is one of the only birds that flies into a storm. When you can fly into a storm and understand why you're headed into that storm, you're not going there to be like a hero for the wrong reason. See, the eagle will fly into the storm because it rests. It will go into the storm with its wings out. The wingspan of an eagle is fairly large. And when you are flying to the storm, I'm not talking the eye of the storm, I'm not talking like a big hurricane, I'm talking like a storm that a bald eagle that is typically going to deal with. Okay? The lightning storms, the rainstorms, you know, they're going to fly up at a high altitude. That's what bald eagles do. They're a big bird and they fly high. Eagles in general are bigger birds than your average sized birds. So they can rest. It's less, you know, work for them than trying to go the other way. It's pretty exciting to think about. What if us as men, us as people that were working in customer service, saw our opportunity to do things that way? What if we did that? What if we flew into the storm? See, objections are not something that should scare you away from your customer. Those are legitimate concerns that a customer has, and your customer wants those questions answered. So as soon as you answer those questions, you move on to the next one, and the next one. And a few minutes later, what's their excuse for not doing business with you? You answered all their objections in a fairly timely manner. You're professional about it. You gave good educational answers. Then you sit down with them and say, when would you like to get started? we can do this today, Mrs. Jones, at 3 o'clock. We can lay out the mulch and all that tomorrow at 8 in the morning. We're going to have a team of 3 people plus myself. I'm going to be going back and forth, you know, making sure they're being supervised. I'm going to leave the job site a little bit and I'll be back. But for the most part, this is your expectations. You signed the agreement and so on, right? So Mrs. Jones is comfortable with all expectations. All of her concerns were answered. That's how you take the idea of an eagle flying into a storm and use it in your salesmanship. Take everything that you look at in life and turn it around in a positive spin. Who cares if someone was negative? Use it as a lesson to learn, and you move on to the next. Some will, some won't, so what? Some will, some won't, so what? You go on to the next one. The law of large numbers is working in your favor. The law of averages is working in your favor. When you wake up early in the morning and you work all day long and you go the extra mile, which is your last mile in the day before you head home, you're hashing things out. You're figuring things out. You are the answer to the solution that people are looking for, right? Murphy's Law says if you lost something, you're going to find it in the last place you look, right? So that's kind of the answer for everyone. The first place they look typically is the person that picks up the phone. They pick up the phone and you answer, you know, and say, Mrs. Jones. I mean, that's the idea, without going on into another tangent, down another rabbit hole. Bright and sunny out today. I apologize for the video quality.
What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys today about travelanycountry.com. It's our new hotel search engine that we're going to post on our page here. Check it out and let me know if it benefits you. Thank you.